Good morning to all the beautiful people who have decided to join me today. It is morning right now. It is very early, okay? And last night I started taking out my curls. As you can see how they look. Yes, darling. And so I'm going to continue and finish taking out the rest of my pipe cleaners. I wanted to pop in and show you guys how I take out my pipe cleaners. And yes, this is part 2. You guys already know in my last video when I put my pipe cleaners in, you know how that style looked. It looked so cute, okay? And I left that in for about a week. And now I'm back to just take out the curls. Like I said before, I really feel that if you leave your pipe cleaners in for a couple of days, your curls really set beautiful versus sitting under the dryer, okay? So that's just a quick tip. So let's go ahead and show you guys how I take out my pipe cleaner. So I start off by bending that little piece at the end that I tucked, and then I unravel a piece at the bottom, the base there where I cut it. And what I do is I untwist it a little, and then I start twisting it a little in the opposite direction like that, just to loosen it up a little, okay? And then I just slide it right out. See? Boop. Slide it right out. So I'm going to continue to take out my pipe cleaners. And what I've done is, trying to say, you guys can see, unraveled the is this one in the way? Unraveled the top, and I unloosen it a little, and then I twist in the opposite direction, that little piece at the end, just to loosen it up. And this is why I said before that I don't put my pipe cleaners on tight when I wrap them around, because I want it to be easy for me to just pull them out. This, you know, it really makes a difference when you do your pipe cleaners to not wrap them tight when you first put them on. See how it's so easy for me to just pull that out of there, and I still have my pipe cleaner that I can use again. Yes, I save my pipe cleaners and I use them again. Set that right there. I love the way my curls, you see how my curls come out? You guys know how long my hair is. Do you see how short my curls are? And the back is not in a ponytail. That's why I love to do my pipe cleaners this way. When the specific way that I showed you guys how I do my pipe cleaners, this is why I do it this way, because it gives me a lot of scrunch. You know, a lot of people don't want a lot of scrunch, especially, well, not a lot of people, my ladies with shorter locks, I understand. So I'll show you guys again. This one right here, I'm bending the bottom, see? And I just twist it up a little. And then I just twist it in the opposite direction like that. Grab a little piece at the end, unbend it, twist it in the opposite direction and loosen it up, and slide it right out. Easy peasy. Now I'm gonna come back to you guys when I am finished taking out the rest of these pipe cleaners. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now is go ahead and style my hair. Now, the original style that I had in mind when I was doing this was kind of like a curly mohawk. So what I'm going to do is take my curls and kind of put them back here. It is going to be like a puff effect in the front. So just bring them back just like this. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to kind of tie the hair just about here. And you guys see that in just a moment. So what I'm doing here is just bringing it back. And I'm letting a couple of them just like puff there at the front, because I do want kind of like a puff at the front. So bring these back, kind of let them fall and be puffy there at the front. these back, let these puff up right there at the front, just like that, because I do want kind of a puff, just like that at the front. I could leave this one down right here, but I don't want to leave anything down. So just creating my puff right there. So I just brought them back. So what I did was just brought them back, and I have a puff right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a pipe cleaner, and I'm just gonna slide it through the middle of my hair right here. Slide it under here, just where over top of the ponytail that I put in. Just slide it right there. So I put it underneath the bottom so that all of the hair at the top will be inside of this pipe cleaner once I twist it around. So I'm gonna take this one, put that one up. I'm gonna take my pipe cleaner, and I'm just gonna tie it just like this. Tie it. I'm gonna tie it a little, just like this, and I'm gonna twist it. Look, all of my hair isn't in my pipe cleaner. Pause. Now, once I have all of my curls back, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this pipe cleaner. Just twist it around, see? I just twist it around like this. Now I'm going to bend it, twirl it, because I'm gonna hide it within my curls so that you won't be able to see the pipe cleaner. So once I do that, I'm just gonna tuck it under into the middle of my curls, just like that. And then I'm just gonna fluff my curls, just like that, so that you can't see the pipe cleaner. So there you have it, darlings. The finished style. You guys see that? Okay. So I kind of created like a hump with my curls. Right there at the front. So I created like a hump. And I just stuck the pipe cleaner through, brought it up, and twisted it and tucked it, as you guys see. Think? It's so bouncy. So ladies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up this video if you like this style. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video, and definitely subscribe to my channel. I am coming through with the real deal